Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming your Acer is updated and connected. This prevents crashes and missing features. Open Start, type Word, and launch the app. Sign into your Microsoft account so documents auto-save. Choose a template for resumes or reports, or pick blank document to work from scratch. Once done, set your default font and page size in the Layout and Home tabs so formatting stays consistent. Make sure to enable auto-save at the top left when using OneDrive for continuous protection of edits. Now you build content. Type your text and apply styles on Home to keep structure. Heading 1 for titles, normal for body. Insert images or tables from the Insert tab and use layout options to wrap text. This controls flow and readability. For long documents, insert page numbers and a table of contents that updates automatically. Once done, run spelling and grammar under review, add comments for collaborators, and turn on track changes if you expect edits. These steps keep your document finished by saving your file to OneDrive for backup, or save as to export a PDF or an older DocX version for compatibility. Use File Export to create a PDF with embedded fonts when layout must remain exact. If Word behaves oddly, freezes, won't open, or plugins fail, restart your Acer first. Then disable add-ins via File Options Add-ins and run Office Repair from Settings apps. If problems persist, update Office. These fixes resolve most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.